Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel whose name is Empowerment Hub Studio. And so today in this video we will talk about the application whose name is Wink Video Enhancing Tool. This is the tool uh, that enhance your video into HD qualities and many more features of this. So this is the application whose name is Wink Video Enhancing Tool. So today in this video we will review about this application, and let's talk about it in our YouTube channel Empowerment Hub Studio. So as you can see, uh, this the developer account of this is Media Channel Limited. So as you can see these pictures, some screenshots here, and let's, without your wasting time, click on about the app, retouch video and with AI effect. So as you can see, this is some details about this application whose name is Wink Video Enhancing Tool. So let's talk about this. As you can see, Wink I making video editing rather than ever. I video editing for enhancing facial appearance. I various creative video transition effects enhance final results. Video retouch, manual face sliming, adjust your facial features as you wish. Body shape, achieve supermodel physiology, stylish makeup. These are the all details about this application whose name is Wink, and as you can see here, the all the procedures here. Wink VIP, unlock exclusive VIP features, experience a wide range of exclusive VIP features. Wink is committed to enhancing your retouching experience. Stay tuned for more. Subscription is a Wink monthly VIP monthly 1 month subscription period, Wink annual VIP 12-month subscription period agreement. So let's talk about details, some app info. This version is 1.7.5.5 updated on May 15, 2024. Downloads 5 million plus, 5 lakh views and 5 lakh plus downloads. Download size is 70.63 MB. Required OS Android 8.0 and up. In-app purchase 500 to 16,800 per item. Offered by Media China Limited, released on December 21, 2021. So capability for your active devices, capability, version, download size, required OS, as you can see. So this is the application whose name is Wink. Here in this video I will show you about this application. So let's begin to review, and as you can see, this 14,000 reviews of this application and having ranking 4.5 and downloads 5 million plus downloads, as you can see. So let's scroll down and check check out reviews about this application. So a person whose name is Russell Jack Almeria, he says this app's amazing. I am an editor and I am struggling to upscale my quality, and since I am using Android, the upscaling of on raw. Another editing app takes so long, like 30 minutes plus for a 20-second video itself. But this one, it only took me a minute, and it really did upscale the quality, and it's completely free, 5 star. As you can see, this application review is very good. So I also recommend you this application to download this application in your mobile phone and enjoy and editing your videos in your own mobile. So as you can see, another review. So far this app is incredible. What's I mean, What's even better is that it is not everything you mind and face app use the same sad and broad metaphor. And a person whose name is Pauline Cole. Please help! I paid for 1 year subscription. Now I changed my phone, but Wink could not be restored. My purchase never happened before. Please help to figure it out. I really. So this answer is this. Hello, please click on the diamond VIP icon. The top icon, scroll to the bottom and go to storage. So I hope you can like our video and want to download this application whose name is Wink, and our that's shown in our video on uploading Empowerment Hub Studio YouTube channel. So please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.